Where we are, the restaurant, the kitchen. We have a finance manager. We work on the accounting department.
Kwa hiyo katika hizi department zote hawa baada ya kufanya shughuli zote za department zao kwa food and beverage pamoja na
manager
wao wote kwa upande wa finance wanawasilisha kwa controller ama
no, general manager. The controller control everything. It's maybe like you control the transactions, the various reports, just control. Forget everything. Set up for table, nini, and other things are working in place. But everybody report up. And your manager, when we work, we manage structure. Now, kuna ile company structure ambayo now is your manager.
Hello, my name is Jennifer Oscar. We are BRD student group 2. We are going to present our work. We went into organization, one in private sector and another government sector. In private sector, we went in the Antwerp Regents Hotel, and in the government sector, we went in Daily News and Abarire organization.
Daily News. As we know, Daily News is a great industry, a great firm that publishes and produces magazine so as to spread the information and to communicate to the citizen in Tanzania. A short history that it was first handled by the colonialists, then adopted by the Tanzania government, whereby it then at that time it was publishing English magazine, English language magazine, and then later on published to Kiswahili language, whereby it was easily accessing information to all citizens.
The Daily News, with the structure of the management, at the top there is a body of director, followed by managing editor, and then printing department, sales and marketing department, and the human department, human and the administration department. Apart from that, the Daily News is a government organization which have budget or financial department which sits for budget the all issue concerning the management. So we budget the issue of salaries and the all expenditure so as to ensure the reaching their goals. Apart from that, there is a policy and law concerning to the management. There is freedom of speech, but not limited. So, for the issue of spreading information, the human rights should be reserved.
Also, there are challenges that are facing Daily News company, whereby we can first talk about the transport. This is a very big challenge, whereby it affects the transmitting of the information to the other places. For example, you can see accidents, road accidents, cars do break down in the road. That's hindering the failure. That's promoting the failure for the information to reach. Also, you can see the traffic jam. Yeah, this nowadays it has been seen that there's a very big traffic jam that slows down the transmitting of the information, like newspapers, to the southern areas. Also, we can see also a problem in the infrastructures, whereby these machines, when the climate changes, they face a very great problem in conducting or publishing the information.
Group number 2, which consists 18 students from Bachelor of Rural Development at Sokoine University of Agriculture, went into the private organization known as Antwerp Regents Hotel, which is located at Morogoro town in Sabasaba Street, for the aim of studying planning and organization management of institution. The firm was established since 2012 and now is under the supervision of General Manager known as Mr. Alexander Alex. The firm consists of more than 30 employees. which include both skilled and unskilled. Such employees include chiefs, cleaners, security managers, and supervisors. The firm provides various services which include accommodation, meals and foodstuffs, renting hall, and cattle market. Such market provide various materials which include Maasai beds, Makonde caves, and arrows. Such services is provided in quality and quantity attained with hospitality, cooperation, and faith. Such services are provided in quality and quantity attained with hospitality, faithfulness, and cooperation. Such characteristics provide a firm and unique feature which make it to act as magnetic toward customers from different parts of the nation.
We are here to show how the Arctic Hotel can be affected either positively or negatively by the government policies and laws. Due to the details that we have got from the Arctic Hotel is that the Arctic Regis Hotel is affected positively and negatively by the government laws. For instance, in paying tax, the government tended to be fair to them since it's a private sector. Apart from government laws and policies, there are other factors that can affect the Arctic Regis organization, since those factors are language barriers, since the foreigners come with different languages, so the workers can't communicate effectively. And the other problem that hinder is workers' experiences, since the workers come with low experiences. Also, the other problem that can hinder them is that due to lack of stable electric power supply, since the hotel sometimes face a problem of electricity, so they use a lot of cost in using generators. For example, the general manager told us per day they are using more than 600,000 to control the electric systems in the hotel.
We are here to explain about the organization and the management structure of the hotel. The hotel is performed various sets of activity and duties in order to make sure they achieve their goals. First, the hotel is established levels of management. The level is in pyramid in shape. Starting from the top level, we have general managers, follows the managers, supervisors, and the first level. At the top level, we have a general manager who called Mr. Alexander. We perform the duty of planning different long-range plans within a hotel, and also plan different policies, procedures, and rules which govern this hotel. Supervisors are divided in different subdivided parts. The first part, we have accommodation supervisors. Second, we have kitchen supervisors. Third, we have a security within the hotel. Third, we have kitchen and food supervisors. And the last three, we have another subnet which are workers which are perform that duties.
Let me explain about the staff relation, motivation, and workers committee of the organization. Staff relation at the TQ Legacy Hotel are good because the workers are communicating each other without humiliation of subordinates. But also the issue of motivation, TQ Legacy Hotel motivate their workers by providing the special gift of the best workers of the year, and those best workers are obtained from the customers that are visiting there.
By making the conclusion, our group number 2 presentation based on 2 sectors. That is, the first sector was the private sector known as Antiki Hotel, located around Sabasaba area, and the second one was the Habari Leo and Daily News company. They both provide the products and services which they reach the society. At first, we can see that the public sector, which is Daily News, they provide news and various announcements to the society, and also the hotel accepts various guests from inside and outside the country, in which they give us great motivation to visit the hotel and get more accommodation from them.